Hi, everybody. It's Monday morning, time for class, so I thought I would make an announcement. I did want to make sure that everyone saw that I did post an announcement on Friday to kind of set you up for this week and know what's going on. A few of you didn't get your interview paper turned in, so I wanted to reach out to you and tell you to contact me if you are having trouble making that meeting, and I'll work with you kind of during this crazy time. All right. Um, Something else occurred to me that I thought I would pass along to you. There were a lot of people in our department who were really worried about this transition of face-to-face to online classes and for themselves thinking, what am I going to do without structure in my life? Having to go and get in front of my students at a certain time on a certain day, each day of the week. And so they were worried about that lack of structure. And so I wanted to pass along some of the things that we talked about because, as teachers, we go, I wonder what we should do. I know, let's research it. And so that's what we did, but I know that's a lot of the time not a student's first instinct. Well, let me go see what the experts say about this. So one of the things that I want to stress to you that we found through our research is that maintaining a sense of routine is a really important thing to help you to advance during this time of kind of lack of structure without having to be accountable and being in class on a certain day at a certain time and that kind of thing. So, for example, this morning I got up and I did my normal routine, and I got dressed and I put my earrings on, which may not have been the best idea for a recording. I realize they're a little bit big, but at any rate, I stuck to a routine and I've got my coffee here with me, and you guys see me drink that sometimes in class, sporting my Cowley, right? And so try to stick to a routine. Find something that will get you out of bed every morning and put a smile on your face despite what's going on outside, okay? I want you all to stay healthy. And then the other thing is, because we are a face-to-face class being forced into this online environment, I want to try to keep it lively here for you guys, but I also want you to know that I'm not out of touch, okay? I'm behind a computer screen, but I'm with you. So if you did not see an announcement about something being added to your class, I will tell you, if you go to Course Tools, then there is a page here that says join remind, get text from the instructor as needed. Now, I want you guys to know that I am not going to text you regularly. I'm not going to be a bug in your ear constantly. I am going to text only for the really important things, maybe reminders of due dates, since some of us are missing that structure of seeing me and telling you, you got to do this and you got to do that. And so we might not be, really comfortable with checking in online all the time. And so I wanted to provide you with something that would help to kind of motivate you. And so we meet on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m. And so that's when I'll be, reaching out to you typically. I'm not going to text you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 a.m., but I'll remind you of due dates, and I will text you about the important stuff. So I encourage you guys to sign up at Remind to get those text notifications in order to stay on top of everything, okay? Now, as promised, if you go to course content and the top unit folder, 3 is where we are right now, and so there's a list of the tasks for this week. I didn't want to overwhelm you all because of all of the classes that you have. If you're normally face-to-face and they're all going online, there may be some different things that you're having to learn and experiment with this week. And so if you will notice, it gives you some deadlines for Friday and for Sunday so that you can stay on top of your work this week. So again, don't hesitate to email me if you have questions or you need help. The PowerPoints that I typically go through in class are posted here for you so that you can review those to make sure you're getting the most important parts of the chapter out. But don't just look at the PowerPoints and not read the textbook. They go hand in hand to help you to understand that content. And remember, as an old high school teacher of mine used to always say, repetition is a part of learning. And so read the chapter, take notes on it, then get into those PowerPoint notes as a refresher. And we will test at the end of the unit. I'm still kind of working out exactly what that's going to look like, but we have a couple of weeks to figure that out. So that's all for this morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you again soon.